Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you successfully logged in, you need to tap on Add Funds, and then you need to tap on Deposit Crypto. After that, you need to use this search bar, and in the search bar, you will have to search for USDT. Now, once you have found USDT, you simply need to tap on it, and then it will ask you to choose the network. So among the given networks, you will have to tap on Tron, which is TRC20, and then it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address of TRC20 network. So you need to copy this deposit address. After that, you just have to open that particular exchange or wallet from which you want to send your USDT to Binance. Let's say you want to do it from your Trust wallet, so you just have to launch your Trust wallet, and then you will have to search for USDT on TRC20 network. In order to search it, you will have to tap on Manage Crypto button at the bottom of the screen, and then you need to use the search bar, and here you will have to type USDT. Now once you type USDT, you're going to see a bunch of different networks of USDT, such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Solana, etc. So you just have to scroll down, and then you need to select the USDT Tron network. After that, you need to tap on the Send button. Then you need to paste the address that we have just copied from Binance in this section. Then you need to enter the amount of Tron that you want to send. After that, you need to press the Next button in the bottom. And on Next page, you just have to tap on Withdraw button in order to confirm your withdraw. And after waiting for some time, you will be able to easily receive your USDT on TRC20 network Binance. So that's basically how you can receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.